press na sa amin, nabutan natin yung mabagal.
Dapat dito, dapat si Mami. Next stop. What time is it?
10:30.
Sabi mo, 10. Ilang hours na lang tayo dito?
Kahit natin 6:40 yun.
3 hours na tayo.
Ano kaya ito? Ayun, sa aircon mo, sa hotel. Open siya.
If you are disembarking here, please remember to take all of your belongings with you. We hope you will enjoy a memorable ride with Singapore Cable Car.
Pero hindi na tayo mamamaranapan na.
Please remember to take all of your belongings with you. We hope you will enjoy a memorable ride.
Oo, nasa ito.
Magbabaya na ba?
Pero ba ba?
Okay, automatic lang yan.
Hello! Get a picture go! 1, 2, 3, smile! Come on! Thank you!
Hindi na tayo babaya dito.
Hindi ko na ba buksan to ah? Ay, hindi ko na papasara. Bukas lang to ah.
Ah,
Ah. Tapos dito ka pala tayo.
Dito rin pala yan.
Ulit.
May sharing siya.
tayo? Wala.
Pangit pag sharing. Hindi niya lang kung kaganda na.
Eh, hindi na naman ano eh. Hindi sharing, di ba?
Kaya nga sinirit niya eh.
Mas cheaper daw yung sharing eh.
Ano tayo Merlion? Hindi ko nakikita.
Doon pa naman wala. Wala dyan.
Bakit naman doon? Sabi naman hindi tayo Merlion. Ano?
Saan? Ah, kapila yan. Wala akong sinabi mo yun.
At the Point Station, you will be able to enjoy the incredible view of Sentosa, Singapore's premier leisure destination. While it started as a single fishing village,
Private jet,
it
no?
then used as a British
Ay, no, private jet.
World War II. Sentosa
Eh, tawad ko, private jet.
Singapore government for tourism and leisure
Di ba yung makita?
1972.
Jet ba yan?
And its
Oh,
visitors
private.
this beautiful island
Ano yan? Tawag?
successful. Although Sentosa was
Jet
a
yun
very
eh.
square kilometers large, it didn't find
Yacht?
it filled with more
Oo, jet. Kala ko jet. Ayun eh, train. Ang bilis.
From here, you can already spot the restaurant Sentosa, Universal Studios Singapore's theme ride,
Tara, punta tayo sa Universal.
Waterfall with its many water slides.
Punta tayo sa Universal, mami. Ayaw ko na.
Punta tayo. Kasi ako rin tayo
To
punta.
spot interesting wildlife, such
Ah,
as monkeys, birds and lizards,
Ah.
and even peacocks. And on the southern side of the
Wow.
island lie 5 kilometers of northern Asia's most sheltered bays.
Yo, oh.
Here, two beach zones each offering something for everyone. Singa's beach club serves up both high-flying and multi-wild adventures for thrill seekers. Royal Beach offers standing baby fun for the young and young at heart. And Tanjung Beach is the perfect place to
Mga kada isang cabin may swimming pool.
Saan?